guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and today we're going to be doing a BOXYCHARM unboxing. I resubscribed to BOXYCHARM last month, so this is my second box. I didn't film February because I got it later in the month because I was on a wait list and I am kind of late getting this up, but I'm really excited to be getting these boxes again. I stopped getting them because I was on a budget, and now that I have a job, I can afford the $21 a month again, so I'm going to be doing these unboxings for you. If you guys enjoy that, let me know in the comments below. And I also will be adding some of the things that I'm not going to be using from these BOXYCHARMs in future giveaways, so make sure you're keeping an eye out for my channel if you see anything in here that you may want to win. So again, this is going to be March's box, and I have already opened this, but I did want to share with you guys what I got, so let's go ahead and get into it. The theme this month is vacation. If you guys aren't aware, BOXYCHARM and Pure teamed up with some influencers and they did a trip, and I don't know where they went, but they went to some like island or something like that. So I'm assuming that's why the theme is the way that it is. In my box, this is not how it looked when I got it, but this is what is all inside of it. The first thing that I'm seeing here is by Pretty Vulgar, and this is a blush. It's called Make Them Blush, and it's $26. I got the shade Prim Vixen, which is a bright pink color, and I'm not super stoked about the color, but I'm hoping that I can make it work, or maybe I can trade. If you guys got the box and you want this one and you got one of the, there was like a lighter pink one, let me know, because I like the packaging on this and I was really excited about it. But this color I just don't see myself using. The next thing in here is a brush set. This is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it's a smoky eye brush set. This retails for $23.15, and it's a set of 3. I'm not going to open these because I'm more than likely going to be throwing these in a giveaway, but it did look like there was a 3-set brush. One of them looks, well, they all look like they're good for like eyeshadow, so I'll probably be throwing this in a giveaway for you guys. The next thing in here is by South Main Beauty. These are under eye gels, and there's 3 of them in here, and it's $10. And I'm really excited about this because I just love eye masks. So I'm excited to try these, and I will show you what they look like when I use them on Instagram. But yeah, I'm excited to try those. One reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and it moisturizes eyes. I don't know if they're all the same or different, but I'm excited to try those out. The next thing in here is from Bella Pierre. This is a volumizing mascara, and it retails for $20. I am going to be keeping this as well because I can never have too many mascaras. They were giving out other mascaras I think that I would have liked a little bit better, but hopefully this one will work. The wand isn't one that I'm super stoked about, but we'll see how I like it. So let me know if you got this in your box and you've tried it and you've liked it, or what your thoughts were, because I'm curious to know. And the last thing is the thing that I'm most excited about in this box. It is a palette from Pure and BOXYCHARM. I believe it's called the Pure Bay palette, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over social media, but oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. One of my black shadow did kind of crack a little bit, but it's not that bad. It just kind of got some on the dirt, like some dirt on it, but this shadow is so pretty. These shadows are, and I'm so excited to give this a go and try it out. I haven't been playing with it because I wanted to do this unboxing before I did anything, but very excited about this palette. Here's the front of it if you guys haven't seen. I just think this looks so pretty, and I'm so excited that they sent this in our box this month. So that was it for my BOXYCHARM unboxing this month. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite product was. And if you guys would like to subscribe, I will leave the link below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!